Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Bingx account and funding method so you can place an order immediately. Once your identity is verified and 2FA is enabled, link a bank card or a crypto wallet to reduce delays. Make a small deposit first to confirm settlement and to observe any fees. This avoids surprises. You also want to review the minimum trade size and currency pair options so you won't hit limits when you move to buy. You then pick the coin and trading pair, checking liquidity to ensure your order fills without excessive slippage. Once chosen, decide whether to use a market order for immediate execution or a limit/stop limit to control price. Market is fast, limit saves funds. Enter the amount you want to buy, set price and acceptable slippage, and preview fees so you understand net received. After reviewing the details, submit the order and watch the trade fill in the order history. You finish by confirming the trade executed and verifying your updated balance and transaction ID to record the purchase. If you plan to hold long-term, withdraw to a private wallet. Double-check the receiving address and network before sending. If the order didn't fill or failed, make sure your balance covered total cost plus fees, check network congestion and order limits, then retry or contact support with your TX ID. This ensures your funds and coin are secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.